Hey, Shane again. Welcome to another episode of Eat Like a Barbarian. Today, we're going to be poolside doing barbecue pork chops. And then afterwards, once we're at the table, I'll show you the plate. I'm going to show you chocolate apple smoked old fashioned. So let's get going. All right, so we're going to be making some barbecue seasoning to put on the pork chops. Before we put them on the grill, we're going to start with a quarter cup of brown sugar. We got two tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of, or actually 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon, I have a smoked garlic. I'm gonna throw that in there just because, well, I want it. 1 tablespoon of black pepper. And then there's a tablespoon of, 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika. So we're just gonna get that all mixed, and then we're gonna I'm gonna move over the pork. Hopefully that wasn't too much for everybody's eyes to take in there. And all we're gonna do is take it and literally just make sure it's on all of the porks, both sides. And then we're gonna get out, we're gonna get these on the grill, and we'll see you poolside. Come on over, join me. All right, ready? All right, so here we are, poolside. Gorgeous day in Florida, which means it's probably raining in a minute. So we're gonna try to get these chops on the grill quick. All we're gonna do, we're gonna give them a couple of minutes per side. Make sure your grill's nice and hot. As you see, you can hear it. The minute it hits, you should hear it. We're just gonna line them up. We're gonna give them a minute and a half, 2 minutes per side. And then we're gonna flip them. And flip them a few times. We're gonna spin them, get some nice marks, and we'll throw barbecue sauce on them. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna get these all nice and juicy and good. And then we'll get inside, and I'll show you. Today we're gonna go simple. We're just gonna do plain stovetop with this, stovetop stuffing with this today as well. Stuffing, you have to have, stuffing, pork chops, maybe applesauce, but we don't have any. So we're gonna go with that, and I'll see you in a bit. So as you see, we've got nice coloring, nice crust going on. We're gonna throw some barbecue on this side. I just flipped them over. We're just gonna take our brush and just brush barbecue on it. Because what we're gonna do in a minute, once that other side's done, is we're gonna flip these over. We're gonna let the barbecue cook for a little bit. We're gonna put some on the other side. We're gonna give them another minute or two, and then we'll be done with these guys. We'll get inside, we'll get the stuffing made, we'll get these plated, and I'll show you the old fashioned. All right, so just like last time, you should see, this time we made a little more mess on this grill. Always make sure you clean the grill. It will work better for you the next time you use it. And a clean grill is a happy grill, and the happy grills work for you. So we're gonna get this inside, plate it up, and we'll see you in a few. All right, so something a little different today. Normally I tell you what I'm pairing with the food. Today I'm gonna tell you what I'm pairing with. I'm gonna show you how to make one. It's not difficult, it's actually really, really easy. If you do it right, even if you do it wrong, they're really, really good. So we're gonna make an apple chocolate smoked old fashioned. I'm gonna cheat today, and I'm gonna use this old fashioned mix from St. Augustine Distillery. It is probably one of the best ones I've ever had. So we're gonna use this. We're gonna make it with Dickel 8 Year because it just goes really good with this mix. So we're gonna start with, gonna do 4 ounces of Dickel. So I have this little cup of measures. We're gonna do 4 ounces. Right in the cup. We're gonna mix everything right in the cup today. Just saves yourself some time, saves the wife some dishes. Well, actually, it will save Jeremy dishes. Because, well, Jeremy's chore this week is dishes, so he's gonna have to do it, but we'll still save him some. And then we're gonna do 2 ounces of the old fashioned mix. Maybe should have used a bigger glass, but yes, I do have the right tools for it. But this was the first thing I grabbed. It had all the measurements on it. I went with this. Thank you again. I don't know if you saw her walk by or not, but she's always kind of sneaking by without anybody seeing her. So all we're gonna do, we're gonna give this a quick stir, make sure it's all mixed. So for Christmas 2 years ago, Nicole bought me this cool little set. It's a little smoker, cocktail smoker kit. Comes with top, nice little baskets. Comes with a bunch of wood chips, which I put in here because I mixed a couple of them together. All we do is we place that on top of the glass like that when we get that out of the way. And today I'm gonna use, instead of ice, I'm gonna use my my whiskey cubes. I got a bunch of different ones. I got steel ones. I have stone ones. I have fake ice cubes, which are just reusable. You can refreeze these. I think we got these for like $6 and we got like 80 of them. Or you can go fancy if you want. And if I can remember, you can use the nice little flashy ones from Disney. But you know, we're not doing anything fancy today. We're just gonna use some nice steel ones. So we're just gonna drop these in the glass. All they're gonna do is just give it so that you get it cooled down, but you're not watering down your drink at all. So now we're gonna put that back up there. This is a mixture of apple wood chips, cocoa bean husk, and some cinnamon rind. I guess that's what it's called, I don't know. Cinnamon sticks is broken up, there we go. What we do, we put them in the top. We got a nice little handy dandy. Yes, this kit came with everything you could imagine. It came with this, came with that, came with the spoons, came with cleaners, came with everything. So once you get that, you just kind of let it go until it starts to burn. You'll know when because, well, you'll get the nice flames as you see right there. Just kind of keep letting it go. You'll start seeing in the glass. And then you wait for the fire to go out, you cover it. That's why I should have used the bigger glass. Not gonna get a whole lot of smoke in that. But what we're gonna do is, hold on 1 second, I'll be right back. Let's change the glass out. All right, so my wife's ultimate wisdom is just split it into two. My thing was, oh no, who's gonna drink the other one? She goes, you are. I like her thinking, so yes, so now I have two, but it'll give you an idea about it. So we're gonna restart this with getting this all back up again, flaming. If you look at the inside, I'll pick it up and show you once it starts. So yeah, we let it get like this. If you see now, you see where it starts smoking inside that glass. So what's gonna happen now is it's gonna infuse the smoke flavor into the bourbon and the old fashioned mix. We'll do this. Now, as you see now, when I cover it, it's gonna fill up even more. If it looks like you need more smoke, guess what you do? More fire. So I'm gonna do this up and I'm gonna see you over at the table in a minute and we'll finish this up. We'll talk about the new merch. We'll talk about next week. So I'll see you then. All right, so as you can see, I don't know if you can see the plate, but I'll hold it up for you. It's a real simple. The pork doesn't take long, 5-10 minutes at best. The salad we had left over, so we figured we use it stovetop because again, you can't have pork without your stuffing. Here's the nice little old-fashioned finish. As you see, you take it off. There's your smoke. So next week is Mikey's birthday. So Mikey asked me to do steak on the grill. So we're gonna do steak on the grill. It's gonna be after Memorial Day. Unfortunately, have to work for Memorial Day, but that's fine. We'll do it the next day. As you can see, I'm sure you all noticed, we have shirts and hats now. You can order shirts through us, $25 for a shirt, $18 for a hat. Please share this with all your friends, subscribe, like, you know how it is. And please share with everyone. And as always, eat like a barbarian. See you next week.